Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. I really like this 69 Chevelle. Love the color. It's got a 502 fuel-injected motor under the hood, overdrive trans, 390 posi, custom suspension and brakes. It's been frame-off restored less than 1,000 miles ago. If you go to volocars.com, that's where you can read all the specs, study the pictures, get the price. Not only on this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale if you visit volocars.com. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified as new ones come out. But right now, why don't you join me? Let's go for a spin in the 69 Chevelle. Yeah, body off frame restored, beautiful. It looks like the Garnett red they had available that year, but it actually has tiny metal flake in it. If you were here in person, when the light hits it or out in the sun, the metal flake is beautiful. It's all laid out evenly, and this thing is polished glossy. It is super slick and shiny. Now they put full quarters on. The seams are up here, and at the factory seams, I looked up in there with a flashlight, so it's all metal. Body straight, clean, polished. I didn't see any damage or cracking or chips. I'm not saying it's perfect, but I don't see anything. If I do, I'll point it out to you. The trim is mostly all new. The taillights, the moldings, emblems, bumper, the cowbell exhaust tips, that's all new. The vinyl top is new, and all this trim back here around it's new. The rear window is original, like most of them are. It does have some light scratches. This trim is shiny, but it's got little dents. Whoever put it on used the rubber mallet and left some dents. This is really inexpensive. If I were keeping the car, I'd maybe consider replacing that. Door handles, mirrors are new. Another thing they didn't do was a new windshield. I think they're $200-300. We have windshields installed, but there is a wiper mark right here. So I'd consider that too. But the trim around it's new. It's the SS hood. This trim is all new. Under the car, custom suspension is all new. The whole front end is rebuilt. The ball joints, all upgraded red polyurethane bushings, big fat tubular control arms, upper and lower. In back, it's got the boxed control arms, heavy-duty sway bars front and back, all rebuilt. The trans is a 700R4. It was just rebuilt February of 2020. It's a 390 posi rear end and back. All new brake system. You got red calipers. They're gun drilled and slotted rotors at all four wheels. Stainless steel braided hoses. All new fuel system. It's got the proper fuel pump for a fuel injected motor. The body was off. They painted the chassis. All new bushings. Put the body back on. Inside the trunk is clean metal. They spatter painted it. They did a nice, neat job. Under here is painted nice. The rubber's nice. So you got just a nice, clean trunk compartment. The interior has been mostly replaced. All new door panels, new window cranks, handles, armrest. The back panels are new. The upholstery is new. Carpets are new. New embroidered Chevelle floor mats. It has brand new reproduction GM seat belts, all of them, even the shoulder belts. The headliner visors are new. The dome light is new. Back here, the speaker tray is new. It's a really nice wood polished deluxe wheel with aluminum spokes on a tilt column. Here's the good part. These 502 motors are great. 502 horsepower. I did verify it's a 502. It has 8.2 liter cast right on the side of the block. It's a roller motor, so that's why it has the tall valve covers. Edelbrock intake with a sniper electronic fuel injection system. All new MSD digital ignition system. Front of the motor has billet brackets, pulleys, serpentine belt, chrome alternator, chrome power steering pump. It's a new CPP power brake system. It's got Ridler wheels, big chrome wheels, front and back with performance tires. The window seals, weather strips are new, door jambs are painted as slick as the outside. It's got shiny sill plates. Really nice custom gauges. They light up white and the needles are red. The heater controls, the instrument bezel, the dash pad, the pillars, the mirror, all that's been replaced. There is a piece of trim right over the glove box that we have ordered. We'll bolt that in place, and we got to put a glove box liner in it. That will be done. Honestly, they threw a radio in here, I think, just to fill the hole. It doesn't turn on, so you're going to have to invest in whatever type of radio you want to put in there. But in my opinion, the music's coming out the tailpipes, which you'll hear now. It's got 897 miles since this car's been built. It has a clock in the middle. They're digital analog gauges. Has Dynamat or some sort of soundproofing under the carpet. It's got a B&M, I think it's a Pro Stick shifter on the floor. Got a new battery in it, bolted down properly. Aluminum radiator with dual electric fans, keep it running cool. I personally drove this car home, drove it around town a little bit. It works like it's supposed to. It's quick, drove straight, stopped right. I mean, it did everything really good. I had no complaints about how this car ran and drove, and it restarted. Just no issues with it. Fantastic looking car, fantastic driver. Someone can start enjoying it right away. Go to volocars.com. Plenty of ways to contact our staff. They can help answer questions about the car, the process, financing, delivery. We can help with all of that. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.